Hello, good morning, students. Today we will start a new chapter. Class 8. Class 8. Today we will start a new chapter. Chapter number 5, linear equation. Okay? Linear equation. So, equation means, suppose I will write a polynomial. You know polynomial. I taught you in class 7. Then 5x plus 3y. Look at that. There is a two variables x and y, and if that is a polynomial, then if this polynomial value of this polynomial is equal, if I will write there equals to, and value of this polynomial is already given, I will write there given 4. Okay, the value of this polynomial is given 4. Then if there is a value is given, or if there is a equals to, that means that is a equation. That is called equation. If there is a equals to, then that is a equation. So linear equation means, look at the then power of variables, greater power of variables. Look at the greater power of variables is there 1 plus then 3y, then there is also 1. Then greater power of the variables is greater power of the variables is 1. Then if greater power of the variables is 1, then that is called linear equation. That is called linear, and that is a equation. If greater power is 2, if there is a 2, if greater power is 2 or more than 2, or more than 2, 2 or more than, okay, more than 2. If greater power of variables is 2 or more than 2, if there is 2 or 3, 4, more than 2, then that is called quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Okay, and okay, in this chapter we have to solve the equations and find the value of variables. Okay, there is a two variables x and y. In this chapter there is a two variables x and y, or a, b, anything, and we have to find the value of two variables. So in this chapter we solve the equations and find the value of variables, and find the variables by the three methods. First method is elimination method. And number 2 is comparing method. And number 3 is cross multiplication. Cross multiplication method. Okay, first in exercise 5.3, first we have solved the equation by the method of elimination. So exercise 5.3 now. Exercise 5.3, page number 69. Question number 1 is 3x plus 2y equals to 6, and 2x minus 3y equals to 17. That is a question. There is a two equations. Then look at that, there is a two variables also. Then we have to find the values of x and y. There is a two variables, then we have to find the values of two variables by the method of elimination. So now solution: 3x plus 2y equals to 6, that is the equation 1. Okay, then 2x minus 3y equals to 17, that is also equation, then that is equation number 2. So we have to solve the equation by the elimination method. So we have to eliminate, if we will eliminate y, then we have to multiply it by the equation 1 is, okay, look at that, there is a 2y and there is a 3y. Then 2y means, okay, if I will multiply it by equation 1 by 3, then 3 2 is a 6y, there is a 6y, then 3 is multiplied by 2, then 2 3 is a 6y, that is equal. Then we have to eliminate that one. Then we have to write there, to eliminate y, we multiply equation, okay, equation eq, I will write eq means equation 1 by, to eliminate y we multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. Okay, now we have to multiply it. 3 3 is a 9x plus 3 2 is a 6y equals to 3 6 is a 18. Now equation number 2, 2 2 is a 4x minus 2 3 is a 6y equals to 2 17 2 is a 34. Then look at there, then sign of the y is, there is a positive and there is a negative, then sign is different, so we have to add the two equation, we have to add, then write there add, and plus into minus is plus, and plus 6y and minus 6y is cancel. Now remaining 9 plus 4 is 13x and 18 plus 34 is 8 4 12, 2 1 remaining 3 4 1 5, or okay, or 13 into x means x is there, then 13 is goes transferred to the right side, then 52, if multiply transfer to the right side, then that is a divide, then 52 is divided by 13, 13 1 is 13, 13 4 is 52. Okay, now we will get a value of x. Okay, now we have to putting the value of x in the equation 1 or 2. You have to put any equation in any equation. So I will put in the equation 1. So we have to write there, putting x equals to 4, value of x in the equation number 1. Okay, so equation number 1 is 3x, we have to write first equation 1, 2y equals to 6. Now we have to putting the value of x, 3 into, then value of x is 4 plus 2y equals to 6, or 3 4 is 12 plus 2y equals to 6, or now 12, okay, 12 is a positive number, then 12 is transferred to the right side, then 2y equals to positive, okay, positive plus 12 is transferred to the right side, that is a minus 12, or 2y equals to 12 minus 6 is 6, then 12 is a greater number, then sign of 12 is minus, then minus 6, or 2y, okay, sorry, 2 into y, that means 2 multiply y, then equals to 2 is a transfer to the right side, then minus 6 divided by 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is a 6. There is a multiply, then transfer to the right side, then that is a divide, then y equals to minus 3. So therefore value of x is 4 and therefore value of y is minus 3. That is a answer. Okay, similarly you have to do it number 2. Okay, number 2, look at that. I will make a equation first. 2x plus 3y equals to 32 and 11y minus 9x equals to 3. Okay, now solution. 2x plus 3y equals to 32. That is a equation number 1. Then look at that. There is a, first we have to write there x, then there is a y. Then equation number 2, 11 minus 9x equals to 3, or first we have to write x minus 9x, then plus 11y equals to 3. That is a equation 2. Now you have to multiply it by, this one is by 11 and this one by 3. Okay, so look at that. If we will eliminate y again, then 11 3 is a 33, then 11 3 is a 33. That is the same. So to eliminate, y, we multiply equation 1 by 11 and equation 2 by 3. So equation 11 2 is a 22x plus 11 3 is a 33y equals to 32 11 is a 11 2 is a 22, 2 remaining 2, 11 3 is a 33, 2 35, 352. Now 3 9 is a 27x minus 27x plus 3 11 is a 33y equals to 3 3 is a 9. So look at that, there is a same sign. Okay, in a question number 1 there is a different sign and there is a same sign. If there is a same sign, then we have to subtract. If we will subtract, then sign will be changed. There is a minus, then that is a plus, then there is a plus, then that is minus, then there is also plus, then that is minus. Then plus and minus cancel, then 27 plus 22 is 7 2 9 2 2 4. So 49x equals to 352 minus 9 is 341. 341, then 49, or x equals to 49 transfer to the right side, then 341 divided by 49. How many times? 3 times, 4 times. Okay, 22 and 27, isn't it? Okay, 341 divided by 49 is 341. 341 is divided by 49. Okay, that is not possible. There is a mistake. Wait. $49 means 2x and 3y. 2x plus 3y equals to 32. 32 and 11. 3 2 and 3 2. 2 3 2 5 and 3. Yeah, 352. 9x 11. Okay. Where is a mistake? Exercise 5.3. What is the mistake there? Okay, 9x. 11 to the 22. There is a 2. Okay, there is a 2x 3y equals to 32 and 11y minus 9x equals to 33. Then I will write 9x first, then plus 11y equals to 3. Then 3 11 is 33, 11 to the 22x plus 11 3 is the 33y equals to 11 32 is the 352. Then 3 9 is the 27x plus 3 11 is the 33y equals to 3 3 is the 9. So sign will be changed. If there is the same sign, then sign will be changed, plus minus minus. So plus and minus 7 to 9 and 4 2 to the 4 49x. So 49x is 341. 52 minus, oh there is a wait 9 to 11 1, 9 to 11 1, sorry, 352 minus 9 is 9 to the 9 and 12 minus 9 is 3, sorry there is 3, 343. 343, then 343 is divided by 9. 343 is divided by 9. Then 343 is divided by 9 is how many times? 49 ones are 49. 343 is divided by 9. 49. Okay. 49 ones are 49. 49 sevens are. Okay. Or x equals to 7. Then putting x equals to 7 in the equation. Okay, now we have to putting the value of x in the any equation. So in equation number 1 I will putting the value of x in the equation 1, then there I will putting the value of x is in the equation 2. Okay, let's do it. Now equation 2 is minus 9x plus 11y equals to 3, minus 9x plus 11y equals to 3. That is equation 2. Now putting the value of x, minus 9 into 7 plus 11y equals to 3. Okay. Or so 9 7 is 63, minus 63 plus 11y equals to 3. Okay. Or 11y then minus 63 transfer to the right side, then that is a plus 63. Or 11y equals to 63 plus 3 is 66. Or y equals to 66 is divided by 11. 11 1 is 11, 11 6 is 66. Or y equals to 6. So therefore x equals to 7 and y equals to 6. And that is the answer. Okay, understand? Similarly you have to do it. Okay, I will make the equation for you. Okay, how to make the equation? Look at there. X plus y number 3, equation number 3 equals to 48. Then x plus 4 equals to 5 by 2 and y plus 4. Now solution, x plus y equals to 48. That is the equation 1. Okay, that is the equation. Look at that, there is a one variable, there is a second variable equals to, then value of two variables is 48. That is a equation 1, is not it? That is the equation. So look at there is a one variable, then second variable is okay, there is no second variable, so y is there, then we have to write there, make it the equation. Okay, I will make the equation for you into y plus 4. If there is nothing, then I will write there 1. Or x plus 4 equals to 5 into y plus 4 is 5y, 5 into y 5y plus 5 into 5 4 is 20. by 2 1 ja 2. Okay, now cross multiplication, or 2 into x, 2x plus 2 4 ja 8 equals to 5 1 ja 1 5y ja 5y plus 21 ja 20. Okay, now there, or look at that, 2x and 2x and plus 5y transfer to the left side, then minus 5y equals to minus 5y, then 20, and plus 8 transfer to the right side, then that is a minus 8. Okay, 2x minus 5y equals to 20 minus 8 is 12. That is a equation 2. So if you eliminate the equation, okay, you eliminate the y, then you have to multiply, okay, equation 2 by 1 and equation 1 by 5. Okay, you have to do it yourself, that is, and your homework is, okay, that is the equation number 3. Then number 4, I will make the equation, you have to do it yourself. X by 2 plus y by 3 equals to 8. Okay, and 5x by 4 minus 3y equals to minus 3. Now solution, first x by 2 plus y by 3 equals to 8, then find the LCM. 2 and 3, LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, then 2 3 is 6, 3 into x, 3x plus 3 2 is 6, 2 into y, 2y equals to 8. Now cross multiplication, okay, 3x plus 2y 1 ja 3x plus 2y equals to 8 6 ja 48. That is equation number 1. Now next equation is 5x by 4 minus 3y equals to minus 3. If there is nothing, then you have to write 1, then LCM is 4, then 5x is a 5x minus 1 4 is a 4, 4 3 is a 12y equals to minus 3, or 5x minus 12y equals to 4 3 is a minus 12. That is a equation number 2. So look at that, if you eliminate y, then there is a 2, there is a 12, then 2 is multiplied by 6, that is a 12, 2 6 is 12, then there is also 12, then you have to multiply it by 1 there. Okay, you have to do it number 4, do it, okay, you have to do it also number 4 also, then number 5 do it yourself. Okay, number 5 you have to do it, number 5 is, okay, number 5 look at there, 3x minus 2y equals to 5, and x plus 4y equals to 4. That is equation 1 and that is equation 2. Okay, you have to multiply it by, look at that, there is a 2 and there is a 4. Okay, there is 2 and there is a 4, then 2 is multiplied by 2, that is a 4, then 4 is multiplied by 1, that is also 4. Okay, you have to do it yourself. Now number 3 4 5 is your homework. Okay, your homework is number 3 4 and 5. Okay, you have to do it yourself, number 3 4 and 5, and send me photo on WhatsApp. Okay, I will check your copy. Thank you.